Two attorneys say they plan to file a federal lawsuit against the Oklahoma County Jail after seeing a News 4 report. Recently, we told you about a woman who a judge ordered to be released, yet the jail kept her behind bars for an additional 5 days before finally letting her out. Tonight, those attorneys tell News 4's Spencer Humphrey the jail violated that woman's constitutional rights and claim they are doing it to more than just her.
It's traumatic in there.
Ashley Bailey will always remember what she experienced in the Oklahoma County Jail.
The people are not your friend.
The conditions, the
inhumanity, really. Every second you're in there, you're concerned for your life.
So she especially remembers how she felt when release day came.
Told, hey, you know, you're gonna get out, you're gonna go back to see your family.
And went.
I said, I thought I was supposed to be out.
The fear, while she remained locked up for nearly 5 additional days beyond the date a judge had ordered she be released.
You're like, oh my God, what is going on? What did I do? How do I fix this?
Ashley agreed to serve 30 days in jail in exchange for pleading guilty to a minor nonviolent charge. We brought you her story a couple weeks ago when her mom was desperately trying to figure out why her daughter was still locked up. Turns out attorneys Travis Vernier and Annie Reining were watching.
So I'm reading that article and I see that jail then admits to fault on that to the news.
Specifically, a jail spokesperson told us the delay resulted from a miscalculation on our part regarding the timing of the individual's release related to a county jail time sentence the individual was currently serving on a separate case. Once the issue was identified, staff acted immediately to correct it and the individual was released to the diversion hub. We apologize for the error and the delay this caused. We have reviewed the process to ensure accuracy going forward.
And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like a lawsuit waiting to happen.
She filed that thought away until she heard from family of one of her other clients, Selvin Lucas. He was supposed to be let out of jail to begin probation after pleading no contest to a minor charge.
He was ordered to be released by the judge Friday morning. And then I'm getting a call from his family Saturday at around 12 o'clock that, hey, Annie, he's still in the jail. Do you know what's going on with that?
Oh, and I had already like signed the paper and everything, so why did it take so long? Yeah.
And I called Travis and I'm like, this is crazy. Here's yet another person that's being held at the jail, willfully violating a judge's order to be released.
Now these two attorneys plan to file a federal lawsuit against the jail on behalf of Bailey and Lucas.
Our founding generation would be shocked. The government doesn't get to put you in jail and hold you there unless it has cause. That's unlawful, it's unconstitutional, it's a violation of their civil rights.
And it's not isolated. A few months ago, we told you data shows the jail is regularly keeping certain inmates locked up an average of 2.5 days after they've already posted bond.
I had a cellie too, my new cellie. He was supposed to be out too. They paid the bond too at 8 in the night, and then he was still there with me too.
There's plenty of other examples where people post bond or they were held on municipal charges, and it's been documented publicly in public hearings and in news reports for years.
In August, the jail's chief administrator blamed the problem on staffing.
But something like this shouldn't require vast amounts of staffing. You have an order to release somebody, you put them on a list, and then you start the process of making that happen.
Their lawsuit will ask federal courts to order the jail put proper staffing and monitoring in place and ensure inmates are released when they're supposed to be.
Oh, I want justice for all of those that have been harmed. I really do.
But whether it's this or the jail's skyrocketing number of inmate deaths, long term, these attorneys say it might be time for a bigger shakeup, even if it means letting the federal government take it over.
Oklahoma County Jail is by far the worst jail in Oklahoma. And might I say, my opinion, it's the most dangerous, deadly jail in America.
This is a systemic problem. It's not just a bad cop or a bad detention officer. This is a system-wide problem that needs to be fixed.
They understand it may be hard to find sympathy for people who went to jail, but
they agreed to take responsibility for what happened, and they agreed to pay the consequences of their actions, and they did. But justice was still not done for them.
Plus, they point out They are humans after all.
I'm just like your daughter or your mother. I remember praying, please God, send me an angel, keep me safe.
In Oklahoma City, Spencer Humphrey, Oklahoma's News 4.
Now, Spencer first reached out to a jail spokesperson earlier this week for a response on the impending lawsuit. We have still not heard back. We do recognize it is the holidays and people may be out of office. Of course, we'll let you know if we hear back and what jail leaders say.